Is Pi Network on its way to becoming a major player in the world of crypto? Well, Pi is stepping up at Consensus 2026 in Miami. But what does this mean for its future? Let's break it down and find out. Well, I am Isaac, and I'm welcoming you back to Global Rise Network. Yes, and today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the crypto world. Pi Network, specifically. What is Pi Network's role at Consensus 2026? Or what does the role at Consensus 2026 mean for its future and the entire crypto community? Well, Consensus is one of the most important events in the crypto space, and Pi Network is making its presence felt. So let's talk about it. First, for the beginners and those who doesn't understand, what is Consensus 2026? For those who don't know, Consensus 2026 or Consensus is a massive event in the world of crypto. And that is where blockchain innovators, developers, and crypto enthusiasts gather. It's like the biggest stage for discussing the future of digital currencies and blockchain. This year, Pi Network is not just attending. They are an official sponsor. And the founders will be taking part in important panels. It's exciting, right? Yes. So what exactly is Pi Network focusing on during this 2026 consensus? Well, Pi is making it clear that they are not just about mining and big user numbers. No, they are expanding the conversation to include some serious topics. And what are these topics? At Consensus 2026, Pi is going to discuss two major things that stood out: human identity in the world of AI and Web3 utility. Let me explain each one. We all know that AI is everywhere these days. Of course, everywhere. But how do we know who is real and who is not? Pi is working on solutions to verify real people and keep things secure without compromising privacy. Very important. They are also going to talk about how Pi's identity verification system can make a big difference, especially in a world where AI bots are on the rise. That's a big development. And they are working massively for this. That's not all. Pi is moving into the world of Web3. Seriously. This means smart contracts and real-world applications for Pi tokens. Instead of just being a community with coins, Pi aims to show how these tokens will be used for transactions, rewards, and even governance. So this is a huge step for Pi, a very big one, because it means they are not just a token to trade. And that's exactly what we're looking for. They are positioning themselves as a real tool in the blockchain space. Now you may ask, what is next for Pi after the Consensus 2026? It's an important question for you to know. What next? Now, let's look at what happens after the event. The big question is, can Pi deliver on what they're promising? Whether smart contracts and Web3 functionality can actually take off, if Pi can make these things work, it could really stand out in the blockchain world. Yes, it will. So keep an eye out for the upcoming Protocol 23 upgrade. This will bring in smart contracts and other features that could take Pi's network to the next level. Now let's talk about Pi's price for a moment. You see, there's been a lot of buzz around when Pi might be listed on exchanges and what its price could be. But here's the key point. The Pi core theme is not about price right now. Yes, price isn't everything right now. The real value in Pi comes from how useful it is in the real world. Once Pi delivers on its utility, the price will likely follow. Remember, Pi is growing, and its long-term success will be based on how well it can serve real-world use cases, not on just speculations. I want us to understand that point. Of course, Pi Network's presence at Consensus 2026 is a big step forward. It's one of the landmarks. It shows Pi is serious about its future. But this is just the beginning. The real question is, can Pi deliver on its promises of smart contracts and Web3 utility? What do you think? Will Pi become a top blockchain project? Let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you can stay updated on Pi and everything crypto and financial advice. I'll see you in the next video.